Yo guys, what is up? It's Champion Profit, and today it is Friday, and we are back with another video, seeing if we can go undefeated New York session this week. I only broke even trading New York session this whole entire week. Every other thing has been a dub. Um, so yeah, let's get right into the video. I think Monday we didn't trade. Yeah, Monday was a no trade day. Tuesday was a break even. Wednesday was a banger. Thursday was a banger. Today's gonna be a banger. So yeah, right now, market just took a low of day on ES and Q as well. Let's see, it's from this low of day. Fucking. Oh yeah, longs look nice.
Oh wow, you could have actually took longs off of that right there. I mean, debatable, of course, but tapped into that 5 minute gap enough for someone to have took it. Someone's in longs off that 5 minute gap. I was in a different tab.
Every single tick somebody's entering.
You don't know that, no, I'm fine.
You know what these candles move, like why they move the way they do, like all the time. So like every
I
tick,
mean,
all these are
yes.
emotions. These are people's emotions. All these ticks, all these imbalances above, all that shit are people coming up with these narratives, and people
Uh-huh.
fucking. So these candles are moving emotionally, and if you can like, it's like weird how the fuck it is because
Yeah, they move emotionally, but you got to figure out where it's like a strategic buy through the emotion, where you're in
yeah.
premium on that shit.
Oh, it's 9:30. Hopefully we can get like
Yeah.
a nice.
Ding ding ding.
Hopefully we
Market's
can.
open.
ES has opened up the fair value gap. Hopefully we can like manipulate and then go back straight back up. Maybe we'll manipulate London low again, or we won't even get that far down. Might just resweep this low inside of that 5 minute on the 1 minute. Look at the 1 minute, that low inside of a fair value gap. I want to see that sweat, and then that's
Already hit it.
also inside of that 5 minute
Oh,
gap. The
the
major,
low inside of the 5 minute gap, or
the
just
no, the
that?
low inside of the 1 minute gap. That's inside of the 5 minute gap.
Okay, so 619, 620.
Um, yeah,
That's swept.
I got sweat. This is where I want to see it start pushing back up.
Decent looking SMT because ES just formed a no, not
Yes,
quite.
yes, it's
ES is
good.
getting ready to form a
This is the
low, a
same
complete low
setup
of
as
day.
yesterday.
Yeah.
Maybe.
ES is at a new low. The ES is all-time low today. Nasdaq is very clearly not. Just keep that in mind. Nasdaq very well still has gas to go take this new low, but ES has taken this new low way before. Maybe we just had a. Dude, here's the thing. I think longs I just want to say this real quick. I think longs very well given the right setup could be insane, but let's not discount the fact that market has literally gone down and then thought about coming up and went down and then it went down and then it went down
I'm about to get my entry.
and
That's what it's about to happen. Well, you have to think about this though. We just took out a hard draw on liquidity, that 4 hour low we talked about, right?
yes,
There's no
absolutely.
way
It's
in
all time.
doubt we're not gonna manipulate back up to an imbalance. No way, no way in
Yeah,
hell. Before we continue a push down, market doesn't just move down consistently.
right. Of course.
Once it takes
Of
out
course.
major lows and highs, we get retraces, and this is where it has to be. I don't see market keep dipping. I see any time now we're gonna get an inverse back up. Hopefully, if not, we're definitely
This is what
going
I'm
back
getting
up
at.
because if you go to
Do
that,
you have enough?
what's up?
Do you see? So market's down 0.8% today. Do you think this can end on a green day for the
Just
overall market? So I mean, like I'm talking like we basically take out Asia highs.
I don't think we'll go up that high. Maybe to like
Okay, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. It's just
I
gone
think
completely down. It's completely down. It's very clearly looking like a complete red day.
I think we
Like,
could.
obviously given the correct longs into a liquidity draw is great,
I feel like we
but I
could go
wouldn't be
all the way back up to 532. That's London high, and London highs is in right above London highs an hourly gap.
wait, at what price?
532. Oh, that's on ES. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Let me go to
Okay. I
let
was
me go
like,
to
what
the
the?
other one. The same one on 8812 on NQ. You got an hourly gap, which is also London high.
Yeah.
So like to start seeing a retrace right here. See if we got like a high time frame SMT or something. We just wait. Because right now we're in no premium for shorts right now. Like, this is just. Then we gotta look at.
Just be doing a little bit of chasing.
So we got London session. So right now we have London session manipulation because London session did nothing till now. So London session manipulation, New York session reversal.
Yeah, a little A&D action.
Yeah. I just don't know why it's going so far down. But I don't give a fuck. That means I'm gonna catch another 100-point move today, maybe. Unless we just keep
Let it
dumping.
go down. Let it burn.
Jesus, we are just dumping, huh? And if I look at this 4-hour close, yeah, I see it's going back up to that imbalance up there. I just do because it's also gonna end up being a. It's gonna end up being a 4-hour right after this hourly closes. There's no way we're not gonna retrace up there. All right. Alrighty.
You see this 1 minute gap that
I'm
we're
thinking
forming?
about I might enter off that 1 minute inverse just because I can go break even at that 5-minute gap. Oh wait, there is no 5-minute gap yet. Damn. There's a 2-minute gap above here. The 1-minute gap is. It's not worth it. Yeah. Yeah, market really did just dump off open. That's crazy.
Bro, that's what I'm saying.
Oh,
That's what I'm saying.
dude, we got a.
Mine.
We low-key did get a patty swing right off open. Well, I bet you Patty. No, there's no way Patty took that trade. There's too many gaps in that leg. Because the only best inverse would have been a. Yeah, a 5-minute inverse, but it's double stacked. I don't know. I don't even think Patty took that trade, bro. There's no way. Even though we did take out a. When market opened, we came up, took a high inside of a fair value gap out on the 5-minute. Bang. And then we literally just dumped. Oh, I like this wick. We're getting back up. Let's see what market wants to do here. I might just wait for a new 5-minute, but the only thing that sucks about doing that is that hourly above. If I waited for a new 5-minute, that hourly above is gonna cook my ass. Might just enter out this 1-minute inverse and try to. Nah, we're just gonna hold it off. We're gonna hold off. We're gonna hold off. We're gonna hold off. We're gonna hold off. Last day to trade. I'm not gonna fucking lose my trade. Fuck that. Just because I'm not patient, you know.
Yep.
It does look like that retrace though.
Yeah, I mean, I might. Wrong account.
Take that 1 minute.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna. Ooh,
I'm gonna wait for the three
yeah,
minute inversion.
I'm in one here just because I think if it hits the stop loss, I'm not mad about it one bit. While we still have so much room to go up. If this isn't the bottom and I just get retarded out right here, that's fine with me.
And the only thing that scares me now is now we're in this 5-minute above, not 5 minute. We're in this
Exactly.
3-minute above, and we opened up this fair value gap to inverse back down.
Exactly.
I'm just gonna wait.
That's why I'm gonna take this one. Completely fine with if it is a loser, but the thing is, if this is not a loser, I'm gonna look like a genius here later. And if I hit my stop loss, I think the risk to reward on this was completely fine for me to do, even though it's not super high conviction.
Fair.
Because let me see at this point.
Hopefully we can get
The
this.
second we inverse that, oh shit, I guess it's literally only 1-to-1 once we
This is
inverse
really
that
nice
5-minute.
too. If we can inverse, I'm waiting for that 3-minute inverse. I don't even want to wait for that 5-minute inversion.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna get it off a 3-minute low key.
Let's see.
I just gotta wait for
Is there
better
any 2-minute?
inverse.
There's a 2-minute gap that's fully presented.
Yeah, it is, but the 3 minute just is more safer. Just to wait for that
Right. No, I
inverse.
get it. I'm just pointing out info.
How's
Let's see.
what are the boys up to?
No fucking clue. Well, Eben, the one that is the watching this profile picture, he works every morning, which he's low key. If anyone's gonna get into this, like actually, it might be him, bro. He's been trying to take this shit serious. He just works in the morning, but he's been sending pictures of his like chart open at work and shit, and like trying to get a decent idea of what's going on some things. And yeah, Jack's probably asleep.
All right, so let's talk about this. This new 5 minute just opened up. Let's go to the 1 minute and be like, okay, the new 5 minute opened up, and we have a inverse that we could inverse. So if we tap into that 5 minute, which we haven't done it yet, we already got the inversion on the 5 minute back to the downside. If we can come back and inverse this, I'll take that as my one trade today. A little short. Maybe we'll see. I'm gonna have to see a nice clean inverse back down. The only thing about that's just a little. We already manipulated, so picking shorts after our first manipulation sketch, but if price.
We have a clear 1 minute, bearish 1 minute inversion. 2 minute, when does this 2 minute close? This 2 minute just started. This is looking like, I mean, we need to see where this candle closes, of course, but if we get the 2 minute inversion, which it's looking very possible, the 3 minute's not out of reach at all. Oh, the 3 minute will close right here also, actually. Actually, we just perfectly tapped the center of that 3 minute gap now and rejected off of it. That 3 minute gap might have been the perfect short entry.
I'm waiting for the 1 minute to close.
Right. Yeah,
Seeing
get
if
that
we
one
get the
minute
inverse.
inversion. If this 1 minute re-inverses back down, are you entering short?
Fuck yeah. I'm gonna try to pass this account with it too. Hopefully.
So on top of that,
Of course,
let's
it's not gonna
see
happen
here. Well, yeah, I mean, realistically, you just tap that 5 minute gap.
though.
There've been supreme shorts on that 5 minute gap. But we still need to inverse the 1 minute here, of course.
That's what I'm watching right now.
Oh, goodness. Let's see what ES is doing. ES has that 1 minute gap that is smaller for sure.
You watch ES, I'll watch NQ, and we'll see if they both inverse with this 1 minute candle. Oh, you're in long, so if you want to just pay attention to your trade, you really don't have to. I don't want to fuck your trading up just because of me.
I don't give a shit. I'm in one contract that if I hit my stop loss, I'm completely fine with it because I already have the stop loss right where I want it because I know I'm in this trade early. Thing is, if this trade plays out, I think in this scenario to take one contract where I did. At this point, I don't really like it as much anymore, but
I'm about to get
I
pissed.
think it was early enough that early but decently managed that even if this is a loser, this could be a 10-to-1 risk to reward if we rip today.
Hopefully, if we don't inverse with this 1 minute candle, I'm just not gonna take this short. Let's look at ES.
ES hasn't even tapped the 1 minute gap.
I just tapped it now. Oh wait, no, it didn't. Not even close. Oh, me, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Market's been weird as fuck with these inverses recently. It's been kind of annoying, but
Yeah, for sure.
this equilibrium too.
Yeah, the thing is, right now, that literally like 3 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute gap above looks like a perfect time to short for a second, but now this 1 minute looks like the perfect time to buy. So we're just ping ponging between gaps right now. We just need to see a clear direction off of some of these gaps.
Sorry. My kid was screaming my name across the house. I'm like, what the fuck?
What?
Alright.
Oh my goodness, I'm rich.
Alright, hopefully we get this 3-minute inversion here. Fuck, was it? I'm kind of annoyed, but it's whatever. Doesn't matter.
Oh.
I just feel like this inversion, let's say I take longs, bro, it's just, bro, it's so fucking far. My stop loss cannot be fucking this far down. Let's say I enter off this 5-minute inversion here. My stop loss is going to be...
That's half the reason I took this one trade off that 1-minute inversion, because if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm not mad at it at all. But the thing is, my stop loss is bigger than I want it to be, but it's manageable.
Go to hourly again. Got this high, we don't watch bar. What up? I'm fucking up everything. Alright, there's that 3-minute inversion here. Looks like we're probably gonna get it.
I'm gonna switch to the ES and I'll let you know
what's loss here. That's a dude, I cannot enter
here
at all. I'm just gonna enter for 5 micros.
3-minute there, 2 minutes.
Oh, my computer just completely froze. Wow.
That
completely froze. I mean, like bricked froze. Holy shit. I don't think it's coming out of this one. I'm about to go. Oh, there we go. Holy dick and balls, that shit was frozen as fuck. Alright, there we go. So I'm still gonna have a $500 stop loss, which is fucking outrageous, bro.
Exactly.
Do you, is ES about to get this 3-minute inverse as well?
It's looking like it's trying to.
ES?
Yes. Wait, 3-minute gap. Oh, that is a 3-minute gap. Oh, my shit, labeled wrong. Yeah, 3-minute on the ES just wicked into what would be inverse, but obviously no close.
Dude, if this shit does not close at the inverse, I will shoot somebody.
NASDAQ looks like it could... NASDAQ's a tiny bit higher up on the gap than what ES is.
I entered that. We'll see what happens.
You entered here?
Yeah. ES got the inverse, but just barely, bro.
I mean, it really only the wick is outside of the fair value gap. Here's the thing, if we open up a 1-minute gap here, right, didn't we? Yeah, there's a very clear 1-minute gap. You can kind of use this 1-minute gap that's opened as a little bit of a signal for you. We inverse this 1-minute gap back downwards. You can stop liking the trade as much. Maybe even see about an early exit on it.
What would this be? Because if this is a 1-to-1, I might just have to take it up to that first. Well, I think we're gonna go up to the hourly gap on. If this would be a 1-to-1, I'll just take it to here for the day.
If we inverse this 1-minute gap back downward, I'm gonna be out of this long.
We're not.
Personally.
Hold it, bro. We're going up to that hourly at least, bro. Chill.
No. Wait. Are you?
Bro,
No, but I'm saying if we do
No.
inverse this 1-minute downward.
I gotcha. I'm gonna take full.
What I'm saying, my stop loss is at 588.
I'm
That's
just gonna go for
how
a
I should say
1-to-1
it.
here, just because. Just make sure this is a 1-to-1. good. We shouldn't. No, it's not a 1-to-1. I'm kind of pissed. Is that a 1-to-1? That's a 1-to-1. Alright, we'll hold that. What's ES doing? Did it take out New York session high? Better not have. Alright, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
You already been SMT checking. Don't worry.
No SMT.
I'm the SMT.
I'm already halfway to my stop loss, which is gay, but hopefully we can come up out of this 1 minute gap and start ripping.
Well, there's that 1 minute gap right there that I was talking about, yeah.
Definitely.
We just need to test that little 1 minute gap, get the juices flowing, take that New York high. All
There's
good.
no way we're gonna run down right now. There's a what? We're at least gonna hit the hourly right above. If not, crazy work. We're gonna go resweep New York session low and start heading. Oh, we're gonna inverse this 2 minute too. What do you mean we're gonna respect this 5 minute, bro? There's no way. We just got that 3 minute inversion. Beautiful. Bro, there's no.
I'm
way.
out of the trade.
No way.
I'm out of the trade, and I might just
So we
not
are gonna
be
respect
able
that
to
hourly?
take long two.
Damn, we are gonna end up respecting that fucking hourly gap, bro. I'm at that 5 minute gap, bro. Juked me out with that resweep of that high. So we reswept that high inside that 5 minute and then just come back down in an inverse. That's crazy work. It got me. It got me today.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
No way they got me like that. What a Jew bag. What a fucking Jew bag.
Yeah, that 5 minute was crazy, actually. I see that now. I was looking more on 3 minutes because what you were saying, but yeah.
Damn, bro, they did me like that. For real. That's crazy. I know so many people took that 3 minute inversion just to go to... Wait, did we even... Man... How are you gonna go all the way up to that last fair value gap and play like that, bro? This price action has been, like, super... I mean, it's correct PA. Like, there's nothing wrong about this. What I should have done is bid it for that 5 minute close that I didn't do. That's why I lost this trade. And little BS. Nothing I can really do about it with how close we already are to that major low right there. There's no point in taking shorts off that. With that 3 minute rip down, 2 minute inversion rip down, pissing everybody the fuck off because they're like, bruh. That's actually fucking wild. I can't believe we just did that. We didn't even tap into that hourly above. That's like, that was so obvious to me that we were gonna at least go tap it hourly.
I know, right? I have literally all that shit marked out before you even got in the call, too.
Absolutely berserky. And we didn't even, what's crazy is we just reswept that 5 minute high. So I guess it was a major high that we swept. And then we literally just ripped off that new 5 minute high candle. That was a tricky one. Cause like it swept a major high that was a new major high that swept that 5 minute and respected that 5 minute bearish gap. Crazy work. But, you know, only thing I can say here is fucking shit. That shit was a creeper right there. 1 minute inversion here. I guess for future references. Erg. That's annoying. Arg.
Oh, fuck me. I just closed. NQ.
How much did I lose on that trade? Probably a big spanking on the butt. No way I lost that much on that trade. I thought my stop loss was $700. I just lost $950. That's why I can't pass it. That's why I can't pass an account, bro. I'll make $1,100 one day, next day I fucking lose just as much.
Dude, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. I
Dude,
don't think the trade was that.
there's no way I lost
Heck,
950 bucks, bro.
well, hold on. Let's just establish right now. Are you through for the day because you took that one loss?
Fuck, bro. I don't have a choice. If I lose 50 bucks, my account's closed for the day.
All right. Well, then don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Reflect back on it.
There's nothing to
Figure
really.
out what went wrong. Identify. You
The only
saw
thing that
what
went wrong,
happened.
bro, was huge misinterpretation of that 5 minute gap. I thought that 5 minute was gonna get inverse. It held the first time,
Mhm.
reswept the second. With the new 5 minute
Yep, I
candle, we
saw it.
just reswept that high, which is that's new work for me. That's something new that I need to start watching out for. So if we're inside a 5 minute gap and the new 5 minute opens and that new 5 minute sweeps the one that respected the 5 minute gap, then look for and you can see shorts off that new resweep of the 5 minute high. It's just insane how that shit worked out. I know niggas are pissed about that shit. I know I would be. I would not be a happy camper if I took longs off that 3 minute inversion. I mean, I'm not. I'm pretty pissed. ES didn't take that 3 minute inverse, which means I took a false trade anyway. Ah, they got my bitch ass though. They really did get my bitch ass with that. Dude, I fucking hate top ticking losing trades. That's what happened just today. I top ticked a losing trade. I got in, and the minute I got in, I got instant drawdown. All right, brother.
It's all good. It's all good. Good ass week. Just ended off.
I ended.
Not great
Let's
Friday.
just say I ended off the week up $653. I went crazy all week. Just, I guess this is a reflection on why I'm making these videos in the first place. Is I need to handle my losses a lot better because $950 losses is unacceptable. Um, that's a little fucked up. Not gonna lie, I did not know I lost that much. I thought it was 600 to 700 bucks, 900, and I wonder why I can't pass the
Yeah,
combine right now. That's a little fucking absurd. Holy
I
shit.
get what you're
Which is
saying.
crazy is I can't even pass a combine. When I didn't have a strategy, bro, I was passing combines like it was fucking. Maybe that's how you actually become a good trader. You just don't have a strategy. All my friends were making
No, don't be
10K a
saying all
month,
that.
bro, with no strategy at all. They're just like, dude, do you know that one guy who like hops on? He's like, I'm learning how to day trade, motherfuckers. Do you know who I'm talking about? That one guy who's on Instagram and he just like buys and sells and he does like gambling.
I don't think I've
Oh,
seen
I'll
that
send you a
one.
video later, but he's on
I
Instagram.
did.
He's like, he's like, we're back to day trading futures, day number 6, baby. Let's go. And he's just like, we're going down, bye, 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 bye. And this dude will make like 10K on his live account, and then he'll be like,
What the fuck?
and I'll be thinking, I'll be like, bro, this is how everybody in my Discord trades, and they're all profitable. I swear to God, I could never trade
I
like
think
that.
I think where you got yourself screwed over a little bit on this. I'm not gonna wait. Let me see. Let me go back and recheck. No, I guess the NQ does inverse that enough to really enter that trade. 3 minute inversion you were talking about. No, I guess no, it's not even bad.
It's a 70% win rate, though. That's I think. So like,
Yeah.
the way I should have looked at it, because this is how Patty would have looked at it, is the 5 minute inversion. He would have waited for that 5 minute to get inversion. If you look at it, didn't happen. If I would have waited for
Mhm.
that, then I would have went short and I would have caught this whole trade if I was patient. Waited for that one
Right.
minute close, I would have seen the. I would have entered out that 1 minute close. No, dude, I don't even know if I would have taken that trade, brother. Honestly, because the minute that 1 minute close that caused the inversion, we swept out a major low,
Right, I
and
see it.
the minute that happened, market just it was just one of those days, man. That honestly probably was the best to not even take anything. I think my trade was the most valid thing out of even the short that's happening right now. Is I feel like I would have taken this trade. Fucking probably would have waited for more of a fucking inversion on the 5 minute. And just start doing that. I don't do that a lot, bro, which causes me a lot of my losses. It's not waiting for the highest time frame inversions. Look at that dump, bro. I would have passed my account with that trade. But now we're back at the start of it all, the beginning.
All good.
I
All
know.
good.
No, I mean, it really is all good. I seem mad, but I'm really not mad. I'm just like,
No,
bro,
you're reflecting. It's all good.
I know I'm a good trader, bro. It just annoys me, bro, that I just can't make shit
Three-
happen. Like, I'm trying to have
Yeah, bro,
bricks of money,
that
bro.
three
Like,
minute inversion while that five is still alive is But fuck you.
I just didn't think we'd resweep a new 5 minute high and then dump. I didn't expect that. So we
Yeah,
pretty
for sure.
much swept a major high right after it was formed and then dumped off that. So that's when like being really good and fast at your edge, which I'm working on it, is
Yeah.
good because I could have been like, all right, we just respected the 5 minute. We didn't inverse this 5 minute with that first 5 minute wick. Once that new 5 minute opened up, we resweep that high that we just fucking made that respected that 5 minute, and then instant inversion dump off that.
Yeah.
Wild. Damn, bro. $50, bro. Might as well just fucking try to top tick something, huh? All it is
Man,
$50, bro. If I lose, I either lose 50 today or fucking. It's only $50. If it was like
well, hold on.
if it was like anything besides fucking that much, I'm just shitting it's that much. I did not expect that at all.
Well, here's the thing. Here's the question. Do you want to not do that on a discipline basis?
Good shoot.
Or is
Shoot.
that
Yeah,
what?
you're right. Just
I mean, I totally get the concept. Don't get me wrong. I totally like, I'm not going to disagree with you, but I don't want you to be like, oh, I'm taking one trade a day.
no, for sure. And
And
then
then
be
you're like,
like, boom, I'm in off. Yeah. No, bro, I just
I mean,
cannot believe I lost 950. I could have swore when I clicked confirm trade that shit said 700 max.
yeah.
I should have closed that bitch the minute we got the inverse back down on that 5 minute. Low key, I would have lost like 200. Damn, bro. That was wild, low key, brother.
Yeah, I see what you're
The
seeing,
only thing
man.
that's wild is how fast it did that. It was just like, all right, we're gonna resweep that new 5 minute high we just fucking made and then dump off that.
Yeah, because
I
we
wouldn't have caught
inverted
that in a million years. Well, now I know. Future reference.
the 1 minute inverses, the 3 minute gets a decent inverse, but the 5 minute just last second was like, actually, you definitely see those inverses start to happen. They just didn't fully follow through.
Well,
Oh, dadgummit. You ended this week off green.
yeah, dude.
Wasn't a bad week.
I'm just upset
You
I
you
lost
you saw the
that.
trade. You reflected back on the trade. You saw where it went wrong. And if you're able to identify where the trade went wrong, now you could have fixed it. I think that's a decent lesson for sure.
You know what? You're right. Thank you for that. My
All
fucking.
good.
I just expected a manipulation reversal because London session didn't do shit for manipulation. We get our first manipulation with low of day, and we get that three
Yep.
minute inversion. That's why I took it, taking it back up to that unfilled hourly after we manipulated for the first time London session today. And
Hmm.
it's just a continuation, which makes no sense because there's no continuation for New York session without a manipulation. And we manipulated and didn't even go up to anything. We went up to a 5 minute gap. And weird. It's really weird to me.
No, for sure. Definitely see what you're seeing. I think that 5 minute. Let me look at this. Let me look at the time frames. This was 45. Wait, what? Does that make sense? 8:45 is right here. Oh, that's the opening of. Wait, going to 5 minute.
Damn, bro. I cannot believe I lost that trade.
This candle closed here. And the 5 minute.
It would have been a
Nine
bad
o'clock.
short anyway. Even if we did enter off that first short in that 5 minute gap, it would have been a bad short. There was a major low right there that calls that uh, low of day to get swept. That's right there after the inversion on the 1 minute happens. It would have been no 1-to-1. You could have broke even there, I guess, and then try to take it to a 1-to-1. You could have
Yeah,
done that.
because I mean,
I see Patty do that shit a lot.
you're realistically entering it like on the shorts, like a great short in my opinion. Till I get the full confirmation of everything that I want to see, I'm entering at like 23,573 area. 575 maybe. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Once you get that 1 minute inverse, that real good close on the 1 minute inverse, and then at that point, if you're just taking the trade to the low, which is what I think you just said, you are, and then if you have your stop loss at the recent high, you are quite literally. Wait, where the fuck is? You get entered right here. You are literally zero point 0.6 risk to reward if you use the recent low and just formed high as your stop losses.
Crazy. I'm just looking how this 4 hour just closed. I'm just like, damn. This shit wants to go low, low. This 4 hour close is not even a wick. It literally just absolutely smoked that fucking low of day body on ES. Uh,
Dude, I woke up tired as fuck. Drank half this energy drink already, and I feel like I could go to bed right now if I wanted to.
and I feel pretty damn good, not gonna lie.
I might just mess around and go hit another little nap.
Damn, bro, I cannot believe I lost 950 today off that little ass stop loss, bro. Did not think that was even. Let me see how much of a stop loss that was real quick. So I entered here. My stop loss was. Oh my god, maybe I shouldn't have taken that trade. Was that a 100 point stop loss? Bro, you're lying. Bro, I swear to God I had a 100 point stop loss. That's why I lost my fucking trade. I did not think it was that low at all.
Dude, yeah, how the fuck was that 100 points? This chart's so damn. What the
Yeah,
fuck?
because I had it under that major low, and then after that inverse, which I should have kept it there, I moved it down to the almost.
Which yeah, but I guess this chart's just been moving so up and down that it's playing with your perception. Because if this was an Asia chart that looks like, just looking at this 1 minute chart after looking at a lot of Asia charts last night, this literally like in my mind I'd see this and be like, oh, that's probably a 25 point stop.
No, for sure. That's probably why I got fucked so bad because I didn't think about it like that. I don't know, bro. That was a lot of money I just lost right there. That was a whole 100 point stop. Well, what was I thinking, bro?
Bro, you had back-to-back 120 point days. You still got 140 in the bank on them.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, but I am not gonna lie. I took one little L off of that. I entered way earlier on that long and took a small little L. I still don't mind my how I traded that at all. But while I'm up on the week, I might just go take another nap and have a slightly green week.
Yeah, same here, dude. Same here. Huge loss today.
Yeah, it's alright.
Just need to figure out. It doesn't matter. I'm just sizing up on my combines to pass, dude. Once I'm on an express, I'm doing 5 micros, no matter what, all the way to payouts.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I can definitely agree on like combines for sure. I don't think it's bad to take like I don't know. I don't think it's crazy to have pass a combine with like not that many trades if they're good trades.
What's next week? We got CPI. I hope we got CPI next week. I need to pass some fucking combines.
No,
Now,
I think CPI. I was looking at it. I think it's in not next week.
of course it's not. I'm about to fucking load up 5 combines and just fucking full board that shit. All right, big dog.
All right, bro. I'll see
All
ya.
right, I'll see you
But,
Monday, brother.
yeah, for sure, for sure. Don't even stress about it. All good, all good.
Well, I'm not. It's
You
whatever.
got a green week. We'll get a green week tomorrow
There
or
we
next
go.
week.
Hell yeah. All right, Balta. I'll see you next week.
I'll see you, bro. I'm gonna go get a little nap in.
There we go. Peace.
Peace.